Guys, what up? Total Control 871. I'm here at the shop. About to So apparently it's double-butted spokes that are used to lace up the hub and the rim. They're kind of pricey, and we're gonna put in like a basic spoke for right now. I don't know if the basic spoke works, then I'll stick with that. Otherwise, I don't know. I might be on the hook for a bunch of spokes. We're gonna see. Oh man, that winter it messed it up real good.
So it's actually stronger than the double-butted.
Like I say, I put a wear and tear on
Yeah, but that's
on them pretty hard.
Hey, you do the same thing to a car, and guess what? The repairs are a lot more expensive. So, just think of it this way: you're saving money over a car.
Oh, I definitely know all the advantages.
Right, I'm sure. It sucks to have shit break. I know. Be careful,
What's up? That's the
From all the solvents that you're using, it's putting a lot of grime in it. Everything's gonna corrode. It's gonna even get into the seal bearings on it.
Jesus
So when you clean it up, the greaser needs to be used on a cassette, and the cassette is removed from here. Because like you can see the rust from everything, and this is like the pre-hub body is really tired moving.
So it's the degreaser, the stuff that I'm actually using to clean it is what's actually causing it to corrode.
Yep.
Jeez. So what I'm gonna have to start
you
doing.
need to remove the components when you clean them up.
So I got to get a chain whip and all that shit, right?
Yep. Because this is not good.
God damn.
These are good hubs, but you can't do that to them.
Well, I'm definitely gonna have to get a chain whip because that hub was fucking expensive, like you wouldn't believe. So
yeah.
all right.
Give it a couple of minutes.
All right, cool. I'll pick one up. Yeah, so there you go. You guys know, when you're homeless in the woods, free-flowing water and stuff like that, and it's a headache. Apparently cleaning the bike is now going to become a lot more involved, so what are you gonna do? You guys, check out that BMC. Man, that thing is an absolute weapon. It's beautiful. Yes, I'm gonna have to more money, more. Actually, it's not even so much the money. The tools and the cleaning equipment. It's not that terribly expensive. It doesn't have to be like top of the end line shit. It's just a chain whip. It's just simply the time that you gotta block out for it. Apparently my life is consumed with court appearances. I don't know, man. I'm trying really hard to get to a better place in life, something where I'm not, I gotta get a new chain drive next month anyway. I was trying to get front wheel replaced next month. It looks like it's going to have to be the chain drive. The chain drive is going to have to take priority. Chain drive, I got to get some kind of a bike stand. I don't know. I'll see if I can maybe jury rig a bike stand and get some basic, you know, cleaning tools and stuff like that. You got it? What you mean, like you got the same spoke? You kidding me? Holy smokes! 7 or 8 left? Oh my God! You gotta save them for me, Marco. I'll buy them. I'll buy them, man. I'll buy them. Yes, winning. This is what it feels like. Love it. I swear to God. Oh my God. Marco saves me every time. I swear to God. That's why I love this shop. You know, when I leave New Jersey, this shop will be the only thing that I will miss about New Jersey. I love it. I really do.
Shop there up in Tom's River.
Yeah. So we're truing up the wheel now. Getting her all tensioned perfectly.
Check your rack.
Yeah. What's being checked right now?
Hit the Swiss star ratchet. I want to make sure it's greased up.
Greased up, right? See guys, absolutely none of this goes on in the back house of a Walmart or any kind of a box store, bike shop, you know. You're not going to get that on a box store. This is the type of quality that that can only be found in a...
That all piles up from degreaser. It's all the rust and everything, but that's a seal that prevented that to get inside.
So we're still good?
So it's going to be still good. I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to apply the new grease and we'll be okay.
Awesome. See what I'm saying? This is why I come here. This is why I come here. Show you guys a bit more bike porn while all the Black Riders waiting to get tuned up. Speed Concept. This thing is all kinds of fucking kick-ass dangerous, baby. It's gorgeous. Got a Saravello over here. That saddle looks good. Looks good and comfortable too. Let's see, that one is a, I don't know if you can see it, it's a Trek. Yeah, these bikes. These bikes are more expensive than mine. But no, it's and all joking aside, when you come to purchase a bicycle, you do so for what your needs are. I'm not a time trialist, so I don't need a time trial bike. I'm a vehicular cyclist, a commuter, a guy that has to go on tour, so I need to carry a lot of weight, and I need to carry that weight as quickly as possible. So, you know, durability and speed is what the Black Rider setup is all about. Hard at work getting it together.
Same thing like last time, was 2 spots.
What's happening is sometimes the bead of the tire sets too deeply in the rim, so he's just using the forceps to pull it out, because otherwise the wheel will have a slight heartbeat or wobble. Marco's using a torque wrench right now because each of the bolts require a specific Newton meter. This prevents the bolts from being over tightened or under tightened.
All set?
All set? All good? Awesome. Alright. Alright guys, so after some last minute tweaking, Marco balanced the wheel, make sure that everything is perfect, you know. So that's what we're doing right now. So about to get underway, and Black Rider is up and running 100%. That's the way I like it. Catch you guys next time. Total Control 871.